Alright, again, this is URGENEX 3S. Run. With 44T Spur. Come on. I'm getting annoyed with this. We're gorilla styling it. I'm running out of time here. I'm talking to myself, looking like a fool. You won't know what it gets till we're done. It'll be a surprise. Alright. Always gotta mess with the trim. Alright, here we go, guys. Ooh, that wasn't good. That was bad. We're gonna keep giving her one more run back home and then we'll look at it. Alright, let's get it home and see what we got. Man, oh man, she's just got too much. Too much. I'm getting about maybe half throttle at this point. Oh, getting too old for running. Gyro is helping, but it is like Brent was saying, get off the gas and tumble Wumble City. So, all right. Well, it looks like we broke a post. Let's see what we got. Hold it right. Alright, average of 10, 44.7. So we're right back where we started from with 44T Pinion. Again, I only got half throttle, but at least we're on the board and we're higher than we were. So mark me down for 44.7. Mark me down. Actually, you know what? Looks like those folks are going down there. Let's go for it again. We won't even reset it. We'll just see if we get faster. Make the best of it. You see it's still 44.7. So if we don't get any faster, we don't get any faster. Oh, the body stayed on. I know that works. You got a lot more. $46. See, I told you guys. I knew they had a lot more. One more go. 46.8. We're going the right direction. That was the best slowdown I've had, but I'm still chasing it. Walk of shame, right? At least it was just a roll on the grass, not a run. Hope I'm getting it. 46 is good. That's right direction. I got to catch Mike over there with his 50, 48 or whatever he's got. And Brent, I think Brent's got 48 too. You get any faster? 46.8 still. So that's still our record. Huh. Not warm. So that looks like we're gonna go. 46.8. Put us on the board for that. It wasn't pretty. We got no gas. Uh-oh. What did I do? What did I do? I got steering, but no gas. Oh well, we'll figure that out tonight. Alright, hope you guys dig. 46.8. I'll take it. Forward progress. Yeah, 9-3 tooth pinion. Well, let me open her up so you can see. I think that's part of the game. So 46.8. It's not even warm. 3S, URGENEX battery. See? That's about all she wrote. That's weird. ESC's on. Gearing is clear. Oh well, figure it out when we get home. Like and subscribe.